Hello and Assalamualaikum. We are from Group 2 and we are going to share our video presentation about strata title management issues. Our suggested topic is maintenance for leaks and defect located at apartment Puchong Permata 2. My name is Nur Nabila Alia and I am representing my team member which is Adi Putra, Aisyah Syafiqah, Afiq Daniel, Muhammad Shazrul and Nur Sofia Safira. Our video presentation consists of introduction, definition, importance, issues, regulation, proposed solution and conclusion. So for the introduction, Puchong Permata 2 is an apartment building with a residential purpose. It is a strata property holding with a freehold land status and it was built on 2002 and the developer was Abdul Mark Sudran Berhad. So next, for the definition maintenance, leaks and defects. Maintenance of leak and defect is a method of identifying, analyzing and correcting flaws such as leaks and defect in a system, building or machinery. So the purpose is to avoid future damage, assure that it meets safety regulations and lengthen the life of the structure or equipment. So in the context of strata management, the residents corporation or the strata community is responsible for ensuring that problem associated to water penetration, structural damage or other defects within the communal area are identified, corrected and maintained in a short order.
So next is the importance of maintenance of leaking and defects for strata building is, first of all, it can affect the health and safety residents where the leaks can produce mold growth which can endanger tenants' health and cause allergies and respiratory issues. Additionally, flaws may result in electrical problems, falling debris or unstable surfaces that pose a safety risk. Next is the importance is to preserve the property values. A regular maintenance and timely repairs can help to preserve the value of the property. Well-maintained buildings have a higher value retention rate and are more appealing to potential purchasers or tenants. Next is to comply with the regulations. Many jurisdictions have building codes and regulations that require property owners to maintain their buildings in a safe and habitable condition. Failing to address leaks and defects can result in legal penalties and fines.
So the next part is issue for leaks and defects. The first one is leaks at the plumbing pipe. The second one is broken stair handrail at every floor. And the third one is cracked and broken cement floor. As you can see, these are the defects that we found. And the most common one is the leaks at the plumbing and also the broken stair handrail at every floor. As you can see on the slide, these are the two issues that are critical and also mostly found at the building, which is leaks at the plumbing pipe and also broken stair handrail at every floor. For the leak at the plumbing pipe may happen due to the crack and broken cement, which is causing spaces around the pipe. The consistent leak may cause structural damage to the floor as the water go through the floor. This may cause dampness to the floor and cause the area affected become larger. The moisture from the leaks can cause mold growth, which can affect the air quality of the surrounding and also cause health risks. Next is the broken stair handrail at every floor. The broken cement may happen due to exposed to weather. The exposure of water and the sun heat may weaken the cement and causing it to crack and break. If the problem is not getting paid attention, the broken area may spread and cause structural damage, which can cause safety risk to the occupant.
So in this slide, I will explain about the maintenance requirement for leak and defect in strata building. Firstly is the duty to investigate. An inspection to identify the cause of leaks and defects in strata building should be conducted within 7 days from the issuance of the notice. The Commissioner of Building, COB, will design a qualified professional such as registered architect, engineer, quantity surveyor, or building surveyor to assist in determining the cost. The costs associated with this appointment will be covered by the party accountable for the leak or damage. Within 5 days from the date of inspection, a Form 28 certificate of inspection will be issued to state the cause of the interfloor leakage and the party responsible to rectify. Second is the duty to rectify. The entity identified as responsible by the management or COB is obligated to initiate all essential actions and measures for the rectification of leaks and defects in strata buildings within 7 days upon receiving Form 28. So next is the access. The party responsible for carrying out the inspection or the rectification works has a right to access the building. Any person or individual that failing or refusing to grant such access commits an offence. And lastly is planning for major repair and maintenance management of funds. An annual maintenance plan is the preventative maintenance schedule that record of compliance for strata property. An annual operation schedule identify first major capital repair and replacement for that year that is part of the 10-year capital works plan. Second, current condition of the strata building, due date to be repaired or replaced. Fourth is the expected life of the building services or elements once repaired or replaced. And lastly, the estimated cost of the repair and replacement for leaks and defects in strata building.
For the proposed solution for the issue of major leaks at the plumbing pipe, first, conduct a detailed inspection of the entire plumbing system on every floor and determine the cause of the leaks. Second, implement a regular maintenance schedule to check for and address any signs of wear and tear before they become major issues by installing leak detection system that can alert building management to leaks as soon as they occur. Third, hire professional plumbers to carry out the repairs and upgrades. For example, consult structural engineers to assess and address any impact on the building integrity. Fourth, keep tenants informed about the repairs and what they can do to help prevent leaks, such as reporting issues immediately and avoiding flushing inappropriate items through the toilet. And fifth, consider a comprehensive plumbing renovation to replace the entire system by implement additional waterproofing measures around pipes and in walls and floor to mitigate the impact of potential future leaks.
So next proposed solution for the second issue or the last issue are the issue are broken part at stair handrail at every floor. So the first proposed are the assessment. Have a structural engineer or qualified contractor assess the extent of the damage and identify underlying causes. So the second one is the solution. Apply a bonding agent or primer to improve adhesion between the old and new concrete surface. So for the legal compliance, ensure repair meets local building codes and safety standard to avoid liability and ensure resident safety. And the last one for the proposed solution are the maintenance plan. MC or JMB should implement a regular inspection and maintenance schedule for all stair handrail to identify and address issue promptly.
So, in conclusion, remediating leaks and defect in strata building is important in providing safety, protecting asset values, and adhering with regulation. Building management may prevent possible threats to health and structural damage by performing comprehensive assessment, regular maintenance, and quick repairs. Besides, using an expert service and develop leak detection systems can improve the efficiency of this procedure. Making sure tenants aware and participating in the maintenance process improve the overall integrity and safety of the building. That's all from us. Thank you.